We got some fish activity right here. You can see bubbles. Trying to see where I can find him. Drop this down too. Saw a smaller one next to it. So let's see. Where's she at? Oh, there she is. Oh, there she is. Oh my goodness. Oh shoot, I just lost sight of her. Digging down right there. Some of the water was calmer. We got him! We got him! Shit! We got him! Oh! Long waiting, we got him! Yeah! Just like that! Just like that! Oh! There she go! There she go! There she go! Yep! That's what we're talking about. We went out for like an hour, and we got her. Oh, she's a nice one. Yeah. Yeah. We got her. We got her. We fishing right out here, right off this dock. Right off here at Moore Lake. There she goes. Shit. Yeah, we got her. Damn, long wait. It's a long wait. There she pulls. She pulling. She pulling. Oh, there she come. Come back. Come back. Come on back. Oh shit. Oh, I lost her. No. There she goes. I lost her. No. I lost her! Oh! Must have not get a good hook second. Oh, this is why. She's straightening out the hook. She's straightening out the hook. She's straightening out that hook. Oh, damn. That was a good fight. Woo! She straightened out that hook. I tell her, she about 30 inches. Big spring carp. That was a good weight, though. That was a good weight.